Hi there, it's Mo. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make these statement polymer clay flowers. Okay, let's get started. So this is the finished flower. In this tutorial, I will be using minimum tools that's most likely you already have. So I use Premo liquid clay, bowling tools, and a foam mat. I pre-mixed this beautiful dusty blue color using Scalpe Premo. If your clay is too sticky, you can remove some of the oil content by sandwiching clay between pieces of copy papers. I usually roll my clay about 2 mm thickness and leave it between papers about 10 to 30 minutes. But it all depends how soft your clay is and how thin it is. So here, I have made 3 small bowls and 4 big bowls to make petals for each flower. Of course, you can use round cutters in this step instead. It's just how I do it. Now I'm squishing these balls between my fingers to make them flat round. Then I use a bowl tool to make these discs slightly rounded and enlarged. The size of the bowl depends on the size of the petal you're making, so try a few of them and find the most comfortable bowl to achieve the effect. I am adding some textures by moving the bowl tool from one side to the other end in sort of radial direction. I use one size smaller bowl tool here. Depending on the condition of the clay, adding patterns to the petals might feel difficult. In fact, I thought this blue clay was a little too soft, but I kept going anyway. Repeat the process for the small petals. I use the same sized bowl tool as the one I used to add textures before. Next, I'm making flower centers. Pick up a small amount of clay and roll it between my index finger and thumb to make a shape like this. And I make 9 of them for each flower center. Then I put them together one by one. Finally, I'm going to assemble them. Place 4 big petals, just about the center is overlapping. I like to use liquid clay to add some structural strength. Not always necessary though, if the petals are thick enough. I just put some liquid clay on the bottom part of each petal, not directly on the center. Then I put small petals. Again, some more liquid clay. Then I place the center part on top of the liquid clay. Final touch, I add some movements on the edge of the petals. You can use any tool to do this. So this is the finished flower in dusty blue. You can make studs or dangles using this flower. This one, I embedded stud post to make a simple statement stud. Back side is like this. I hope you enjoyed this video or I gave you some ideas for your future projects. What did you think? Please let me know in the comment to get me motivated to make more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!